ladies and gentlemen, how are you? And do you know what? Today I'm gonna be doing a magic trick for you, my friends. It's a lot of people was wondering how I did this trick, and now I'm gonna tell you the secret, guys. If you want to know, please follow my steps. This trick is so easy. The easiest trick that you can do anytime, anywhere with your friends, right? Okay, let's check it out. So here we go, guys. This is the trick that what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna hold both sides of the straw, just like this. I'm gonna push down into the bottom like this. And how this straw gonna go through inside the bottom without cut this straw? Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Now it's already inside. And how I'm going to take it off? If the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Okay, one more time. Watch closely. Pay attention. Doesn't fail. That was my tutorial of my trick, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And now it's time for you to play with your friends, your family, your girl, just people around you. Try to show them what you got, and see you guys on the next video. The only thing is, keep practice, my friend. Good luck.